how can you check all of your liked arts into Wombo Dream? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check all of your liked posts or the arts, you just simply have to open your Wombo Dream application at very first. And after opening the application, you are gonna get this settings icon. Sorry, not the settings icon, this profile icon into the bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that, and after that you will get this option of liked into here. Just simply select the liked option, and after that you can check all of the posts that you have liked from this section. As you can see here, I have this picture which I had liked previously, and this way you can easily check all of your liked arts or the posts into Wombo Dream. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.